good.
So is it working? Are you getting hungry? Got our Taco Bell tray, the Taco Bell dog, the talking Taco Bell dog. And what was his name again?
Gidget?
Gidget. That means that it's a Chihuahua? We don't know.
Yeah,
It's
Okay.
a Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. He's good at whispering. How come this dog don't yelp and make a little more noise? So we got a deal on these trays, and the dog is new.
Yeah, tell us the deal about those trays.
Well, it wasn't me that negotiated them, but we bought a couple of them, and then we went back, and then they had a pile of them, and all of a sudden we were walking out with the pile. So, if you like Taco Bell, it's more fun to eat them on a Taco Bell tray.
Have you used that tray for other stuff?
You can use it for other stuff too, so it's a multi-use deal. Comes in handy
how often
all
do
over
you
the
use
place.
it?
Many, many, many times. How come we can't teach the dog to say that? I'm getting a lot of questions too. So, oh, it's a nice tray. If you got stuff like smaller items and you're working on something, you put them in here so the items don't fall off on the floor, and you know where everything is. And there's a million other uses for the things beside eating. And like I say, if you're a fan of Taco Bell's, it's makes it nicer for you. And this dog is a little too quiet for you. I think maybe he needs new batteries or something, but
Oh, those are the original batteries.
no, the original's okay. So. Getting hungry, very hungry. Tiene mucho hambre. Tiene muchísimo hambre.
When you say taco, say 59 cents. That's all it takes is Taco Bell. Hard to believe, but you know darn well it tastes so good.